A day before the verdict in Bihar, RJD has cried conspiracy charge. Now Tejashwi Yadav, the Mahagathbandhan's chief ministerial face, has said that there is a conspiracy that is being hatched. Before the counting begins, the politics has begun. Tejashwi Yadav says conspiracy to slow down counting tomorrow. The EC might declare NGB's winning seats secondary and declare NDA's winning seats first. This is what the charge has been leveled by Tejashwi Yadav. Listen in if you don't believe it.
कई अधिकारियों को आज भी निर्देश पटना में कुछ लोग बैठ के सीएम हाउस से रिटायर्ड अधिकारी हो या दिल्ली में बैठे हुए कुछ बड़े दबंग मंत्री लगातार जो है अधिकारियों को फोन घुमाना, उनको निर्देश देना। तो उन्हीं अधिकारियों में से जिन लोगों को फोन जा रहा है या बुला के मिला जा रहा है, उन्हीं के हवाले से हमको सूचना मिली है कि कल जो है इनकी रणनीति होगी कि पूरी काउंटिंग को जो है स्लो कराएगा और ख़ास तौर पे ऐसी सीटें जहां मार्जिन कम है या जो सीटें महागठबंधन जीत रही है उसको डिक्लेयर मत करो, एनडीए के सीटों को जो है वो डिक्लेयर करो। और मीडिया के माध्यम से एक माहौल भी बनाया जाएगा कि भैया प्रधानमंत्री बीजेपी दफ्तर जाने वाले हैं। इस तरह की स्ट्रैटेजी जो है ये लोग अपनाएंगे, लेकिन हम लोगों के लोग जो है मुस्तैद हैं और जीत हम लोगों की निश्चित है। सभी अधिकारियों से हमारी अपील है, खास तौर पे चुनाव आयोग से हम अपील करना चाहते हैं कि निष्पक्ष होकर के चुनाव की गिनती कराई जाए।
And my colleague from Bihar, Prabhakar, is joining me to give us more details. Prabhakar, first we saw the slow voting charge on the voting day from the opposition, and now slow counting charge by Mahagathbandhan's chief ministerial face, Tejashwi Yadav. How do you see it?
See, this is a clear indication that somebody is on a weak wicket, then they tend to make these kind of allegations. Now, just few hours before, rather 7 hours before the counting actually begins, Tejashwi Yadav, who happens to be the chief minister face of India Alliance, he is making these kind of allegations. There are two cases to it. One, that he is trying to galvanize his supporters, because he is also making an appeal to his supporters that you be there very vigilant at the counting centers. And the other, he is making an allegation against the NDA Alliance. The NDA Alliance, especially the BJP, that they would try to actually hijack the counting process which happens and slow it down so that it affects the overall results in terms of in favor of in favor of the NDA. So it is something which is to be interpreted in both ways. But we will just wait for the results to happen tomorrow morning as the EVMs opens up, and we'll wait for the results to actually unfold before the people.